This how to 1 minute will show you how to add website in Google Search Console and get verified. To verify your website using Google Search Console, follow these steps. So as you can see, I've created a website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and now I want to verify this website using Search Console. So the first thing you have to do is open Google Search Console and sign into your account. Once done, click on this menu icon and click on Search Property and click on Add Property, and you will get this interface. Here select URL prefix and go to your website and copy your website link or URL and paste it here. Then click on Continue. And now you have to verify your website, and Google Search Console provides a bunch of different verification methods. You can select any verification method. I'm selecting HTML tag verification method, so I'm going to expanding this option, and now here you will get a code. All you have to do is just copy this code and paste it into your website's homepage. It should go in the head section before the first body section. Once you copied the meta verification code, go to your cPanel and open File Manager. And now navigate to your website folder. Once you are in your website folder, here you will get index.html or index.php file. All you have to do is just select the file and click on Edit. Once you are in the file editor, here search for body tag. All you have to do is just paste the meta verification code inside of this body section, head section, and click on Save Changes. Once it's saved, come to this owner verification page and click on Verify. And as you can see, I've successfully verified my website using Google Search Console, and I'm clicking on Go to Property. And here I can see my website performance, and here we can see indexing experience. So that's it. This is how we can add a website in Google Search Console and get verified. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.